What's going on, everybody? So another week, pretty hot, a lot of landscaping to do, a lot of mowing to do. Grass is growing crazy. Crabgrass, any grass, I mean even non-irrigated ones are out of control right now. More in the Northeast, we've been getting a ton of rain. It is crazy right now, the amount of rain we're getting. But I don't complain, you know, because droughts are not good. We lost a good bit of money about a month ago skipping a lot of lawns, so it is what it is. With that, in this video, I'll have some landscaping I'm doing Monday and Tuesday, and then Saturday, and some mowing in between. Again, I'll do what I can. One thing we did want to say was, for this October, we will be going to Equip over in Louisville, Kentucky. So if you're going, let me know, comment below. If you need a discount code, let me know. We have one of those through the Echo UAG program. We will be at the Echo UAG booth with the other members. That's where we will be. You know, I have a few other people I gotta talk to, but most of the Equip Expo, we will be at the Echo booth, Echo UAG. That's where we will be. So let me know if you're going. If you are, if you're not, you know, it is what it is. Work always comes first. Well, family comes first, but work is more important. So that's about it, guys. So I'll have some mowing here. I'll have some landscaping. Busy. We're going through like that that rush before, what is that? Labor Day coming up, Labor Day weekend. That big rush again before, you know, the last holiday of the summer, I guess. So a lot of mowing, a lot of landscaping, you know, is what it is. And one other thing too, I did want to say, if you made it already in this video and not skipped ahead, we have some shop tours we're doing this fall of big companies in our area. One that's about a half hour from us up in the, I don't know, Galloway area. We have one up there we're doing. The other one is in Summers Point, and then there's one we're doing about 20 minutes from us. So if you're watching and you're in the area, we had one company ask, so we're working on a few things here. So like I said, I gotta watch what I say because there's gonna be gifts, you know, things like that. You know, I don't want to say sponsored, but there's gonna be like a thank you for doing this from a specific company. So we will be doing some shop tour videos this fall. Maybe through the winter, I don't know, but we got 3 lined up. If you watch this and you're one of my buddies down here that busts my stones about my YouTube, or if you're not and you want a shop tour video of your shop, of your setup, of what you do, I mean, you know, let me know. There's, you know, some things that are gonna come down the pipe here shortly. The YouTube's kicking off, you know, so things are looking very well, very good. So the shop tours are going to be in southern New Jersey. Like I said, again, we have 3 to 4, definitely 3 lined up. And if you're down here, if you are a one-man band, or if you have 100 people and you want your setup out there, we're doing shop tour videos. So shoot me a DM on Instagram. It's going to be pretty cool, you know. I know, like I said, a lot of my buddies watch these and bust my stones, and there's other guys out there that watch them that I'm not friends with. But, you know, I love you too. You know, we're all doing the same thing. Chill out. If you want your shop toured, let me know. Like I said, there's going to be some, you know, things involved here. So let me know, guys, if you're in the South Jersey area and you want a shop tour done. Besides that, mowing, landscaping, more landscaping this week. We got like 20 yards of mulch to do. A little behind on mowing, so we'll be jumping in there too. It's, you know, end of the summer, it is what it is. But guys, keep watching, and as always, like, subscribe, share, do the works. Have a good one.